talking with you about information system in medicine. We will talking today about information system basics and medicine related information system. This will include, for beginners, the information system, basic information system definition, from information system from IT point system, with related discipline and type of information system. And we will start from few definition, and after that we will add also some our experience about this. Information system is a system of person, data, records, activities that process the data and information in given organization, including manual process or automated process. The computer-based information system is only the information technologies, components, and information system. From the computer-based information system as a field of study for information technology. Yes, we can identify this process from different view. Or simply understanding information system, this some special software which can support activity, any process, maximum amount process in the hospital. From record, patient record data, admission of staffs, administration of staffs, duty of staffs, patient and doctor schedule, a record about equipment, about different ordering medicine. All direction, this can be included in the information system. And this information system, this can be a different type. This can be a local network or a web network, which will be include not only one hospital, another hospital can be include regional or national level. Now we step by step will see a few definitions for better understand. Information system is any combination of information technology and people activities that support operations, management, and decision making. In a very broad sense, the term information system is frequently used to refer to the interaction between people, process, data, and technology. In this sense, the term is used to refer not only to the information and communication technology that an organization uses, but also to way in which people interact with the technology in support of business process. In this slides, we can see components of information system. From people, this who communicate, IT professionals, system administrator, programmer, and users, person who can use hardware and software for the driving the design information. This also can be different equipment which can communicate. Another system which are present in the around also can be integrate and communicate. Computer system can include hardware and software. Hardware can include means the physical components of the computer, server, or smart terminals. System This can apply software, system, application, and utility. This from software part. Data. This data is the raw facts, which may be in the form of the database. The date may be alphabetic, text, image, video, audio, and another forms. And network means communication made internet, intranet, extranet, different kind principle of communication. A computer-based information system is a combination of people, IT, information technology, and business process that help management in taking important decisions to carry out the business successfully. A few history of information system. First task was electronic data processing. This from previous century, 50s, 60s. Management report, management information system. Decision support, ad hoc report, goal for help in decision making. Strategic and end user. Computing, info system, expert system, systemic information system, yes, and electronic commerce from 2019 to 20. This electronic business, commerce, worker, a business and commerce. Continue last 20 years, so fast is development. A lot modern solution can be used there. Question is integration, different equipment, different laboratory, different principle of storage data. After that, task of cloud solution. It's not only local solution. Now, largest and largest solution are present in the cloud. And from international using information. Personal protection data also becomes so important position. And of course, this modern technology expert system, which machine learning technology, artificial intelligence, if we talk about globally about this can be include all. Information technology is the study, design, development, implementation, support, or management of computer-based information system, particularly software application and computer hardware. Information Technology Associate of America as this definition. You can find which give Information Technology Association of America. Information technology deals with the usage of the computer, hardware, and software to convert, store, protect, process, transmit, and retrieve information and security. Information system and related discipline is scientific fields of study that address the range of strategic, managerial, and operational activity involved in the gathering, processing, storing, distributing, and use of information and its associated technologies in society and organization. An information system is not only the technology that an organization uses, but also the way in which the organization interacts with the technology and the way in which the technology works with the organization business process. Behind this solution need are required deep understanding all process. Software is only solver task, but strategy, analytical understanding, technical task which should be provided for development software, which provide necessary function. This should provide some experts which should know what and how this should work. And this is so important work, strategical work in the for create information system. And there we can see about information system and related discipline. And there we can understand from computer science engineering, electrical engineering, mathematics, information theory, information system, from computer science, information system, and business management. Yes, and this information technology should be include information system understanding. After that, management information system, knowledge management, and decision support system. And after that, management and business should be interacted, should provide the activity. Type of information system. Yes, for a favor level pyramid model of different type of information system based on the different level of hierarchy in an organization. Executive information system, this for leaders, for main manager. Decision support system, this for senior manager. Management information system and transaction processing system, all include. For example, in this strategy can be few upgraded because locally worker and doctors and manager middle level also need decision support system, because in the medicine this include also different level of expertise are required, and expert system should support them. Transaction processing system is the information system that collects, store, modify, and retrieve the transaction of an organization. A transaction is an event that generates or modifies data that is eventually stored in an information system. The essence of transaction program is that manages data data that must be left in a consistent stage. If an electronic payment is made, the amount must be both withdrawn from one account and added to other. It can't be complete only one of the steps, as the both must occur and neither. If we will talking about transaction, this can be different type of activity which can present in the hospital also. This can be connected with planning of patient interaction. This can be in the medicine providing for the patient, accepting to the warehouse medicine and give for doctors. This also connect with equipment, with material, with manager solution and provide it. This include a lot, and this information system, if in detail understand, is so deep and requires so good understanding and so clear work. Types of information system, yes, a present transaction, a present output, yes, invoice, monthly bills, report and summarize of individual and collection transaction, and update data for processing. For this moment, we can understand about all reports, all updates also can be stored not only in the disk. Different forms of saving data are present now, and this type of the storage can be different. Types of information system also can be provide information that it needed to manage organization efficiently and effectively. It are not only computer system. The systems encompass three primary components: technology, people, and data information for decision making. we will continue. We discuss about type of information system which provide information that needed to manage organization effectively. It not only computer system. This system encompasses three primary components: technology, people, and data, which necessary for decision making. Medical information system is distinct from other information system in that they are designed to be used to analyze and facilitate strategic and operational activities in the organization. Type of information system are present: management information and management potential users. This data which we collect from our patient, data which we collect from doctors, from laboratory, from different equipment. After that, our system process it. And in the result are producing different kind reports, models, and result. What kind of information? Can be send it, you see, we have different management: personnel, accounting, production, marketing, distribution, and other. Each kind users, doctors, nurse, and HR department, and everybody use his required type of information. And from this point, we should provide necessary for each. For personnel, for example, if we're talking about patient, they should know about get appointment to doctors. They should get opportunity talking with doctors in necessary time. This means telemedicine services. This should be opportunity for fill and load necessary information. After that, get schedule for next treatment, next appointment for doctors or for different procedure. Also, doctors should know about this. Also, patients should get some schedule about medicine using, and also different kind of some specific activity. And next one, accounting office. They should know about what amount of work done, how many patients, how many used equipment, how many use medicine. Production, they should also know about department who provides some necessary equipment or correction equipment, everything. Marketing department should know about procedure, promotion for hospital, for patient, for scientists, for doctors, which should know about available services. And from this list, you see all require his own information and all get some decision, necessary information for his activity. And after that, they can give quantitative techniques some feedback, require about some necessary information. Type of information system, decision support system, is a computer-based information system that support business or organization decision-making activities. Is serves the management, operation, and planning level of an organization and help to make decisions which may be rapidly changing and not easy specified in advance. Decision support system can be either fully computerized human or combination of both. Information system to support decision. Question not only collect information, question found and systemize information in the way which will help for users provide necessary activity. Problem. Often information so fast upgraded. A new research, new solution, new medicine, new equipment, and also are present new methods of treatment, are present new change rule in the government system, healthcare, for example. And all should be updated in the system for provide for end users necessary information. For example, provide information about the performance of the organization, periodic and inspection reports, specified fixed format, information produced by extraction and manipulation, basic analysis of business data. Decision support system, we discuss about management information system, and decision support system provide information and techniques to analyze specific problems, interactive inquiry and response, ad hoc, flexible and adaptable information. Information system produced by analytical modeling of business data. An executive information system is a type of management information system intended to facilitate and support the information and decision making need of senior executive by providing easy access to both internal and external information relevant to meeting the strategic goal of the organization. It's a commonly considered as a specialized form of decision support system. The decisions are taken on the basis of the information passed from middle management, top level management, middle and supervisory level of management, strategic level, tactical level, and operational level. Yes, and all level can be provided and supported by information system. The decisions are taken on the basis of the information passed from middle management. Yes, internal, external information source are collected process for strategic decision. And the lowest level managed by operational level managers. All type of inputs available from various sources are collected. Type of information system detailed. Yes, are present operational support system and management support system. And now we will see what include. Operation support system includes specialized processing system, transaction processing system, process control system, expertise collaboration system, expert system, knowledge management system, strategic information system, and functional based system. Management system include management information, decision support, execute information system, and specialized processing system. You see, from a simple question, we often hearing about information system, medical information system, but in if really we will see, this will include so deep understanding and so large amount problem which should be solved for provide balanced and effectively information system. But also question usability. We should understand how this do usability, simple use and comfortable realize all function. Type of information system: operation support system, transaction processing system, process control system, and enterprise collaboration system. Yes, this includes in the operation part. In the management system, management information system, decision, and executive information system are present. In the office automation, text processing, electronic documents, electronic message, and teleconference. Yes, this all general part which will be useful for information system. Medical related information system. Yes, this can be different particular solution. For example, hospital information system, radiology, laboratory information management system, and picture archiving and communication system. You see, inside of information system, they can process for different part of these users in the hospital, in the laboratory, in the different equipment, this radiology computer and MRI system and a lot laboratory, everything can production information, can use information, source information, and all require expertise, expert system activity. And this all can be digitalized and more better organized, managed. A hospital information system, variously also called clinical information system, is comprehensive, integrated, designed to manage the administrative, financial, and clinical aspects of hospital. This encompasses paper-based information processing as well as data processing machine. For example, you can see view of documents. I think you saw this kind of documents also in your hospital. So often this present in our life, this kind of amount of documents. And question how, and there are a lot problem. Storage, if you need to collect some information, how you will collect it? You spent a lot of time and activity and sources and money. And question become when will be all digitalized. This also a lot question are present in this critical, in the personal protection data, in the different ethic question. But this now in the world so fast development and providing. For example, you can see a view hospital information system. The aim of hospital information system is to achieve the best possible support of patient care and administration by electronic data process. More efficient use of the restricted resources available for patient care, qualitative improvement of the service to the patient, support of research, support of teaching. Yes, this can be, but now a lot another kind of information are added, are included in the hospital information system. Some of models, some of evolution of information system. Yes, for begin, this was monolithic, some program which serve only some amount of patient, isolated, monolithic, evolutionary system, and composable system are present. Now the system can include and integrate with different information system, different countries, different hospitals. And this is not a finished process. because now a lot each country his rule and his security rule, personal protection data. I include a lot question, but world now evolved for this different solution. Of course, question saving, protecting, compressing data also is so important. Hospital information system are sometimes separated from hospital information system. In the former concentrate on patient-related and clinical states-related data, electronic patient record, whereas the later keeps track of administrative issue. The distinction is not always clear, and there is contradictory evidence against a consistent use of both terms. Hospital information system, computer system in clinic department are generally can be used for the following task: administrative support, the administrative and logistic planning of patient care and intervention, patient data collection, where include occlusion, storage, and retrieval of patient data, examination, biosignals, and image, the related time reduction and verification, and the coding and processing of patient data, and the integration of all patient data into one comprehensive presentation. Decision, simulation of interventions by use models, the support of diagnostics and therapeutic decision making. Monitoring, the monitoring and assessment of therapy, drug therapy. Reporting, generation of reports. For example, after the discharge of the patient from the hospital or when referring patients to other clinics. Assessment, evaluation of the effect of the care that was provided on the patient outcomes. Hospital information system can be composed of one of a few software components with specific extensions, as well as of a larger variety of subsystems in medical specialist, laboratory information system, radiology information system, like this. But you can find a lot kind of type of sources data which require and which produce information. And hospital information system you see in center. And this require medical support, course system, business, financial department, communications, management system, and medical documentation system. You, from this step by step, I think you start to understand so a lot components, modules can be attached and should be interact usefully and simply, and provide necessary information, administrative information. This connect with integrated medical information system, and you can find different kind of medical information system which can be and should provide necessary group information about registration, management, insurance, prescription, payroll management, logistics, assessment, cost analysis, group where homepage, DCOMs, different kind of formats, data storage, electrical medical record storage, and all connected to different type of users. Another kind of pictures visualization where present clinical information system, laboratory, radiology, anatomic pathology, you see have different kind of type of sources and user information. Why I'm talking about not only sources, but for every kind of sources information are required also additional information about patient, about his age, about his risk different, allergic, and another one. And there should be providing the decision support system should provide necessary information for each kind of user. This information are present in turn contain healthcare clinical system. As is for support for health data dictionary, web result review, clinical workstation, enterprise data warehouse, billing, Medrec, and a lot another one. Hospital information systems, there are three types of integration can be distinguished. Data integration means that data registered in one application are available to another application if necessary, and provided that it is not conflict with confidentiality. This prevents repeated recording of the same data and reduce the risk of mistake. Presentation integration implies that data from various applications are present to the users in an adequate and consistent way, especially for dynamically changing data. This is not self-evident. Function integration means that functions of different applications are available to the qualitative users within one user environment. Hospital information system. There are three types of integration can be distinguished: data, presentation format, and functional. Yes. Our task in the first create environment through which is usefully load data and get data, storage data, and process data. Next, data, as you know, in the binary formats. And our task found the best opportunity for present information for users. And this should be functional. All different kind application should normally and stable interact. For example, if we can see like Google Apps simply interact between different. And also maximum this interaction should be provided for comfortable work. Hospital information system. This includes are present some national, international, Europe standards for data storage. And in the different countries, these formats few different. And should be some special protocol rules exchange between this information. After that, should be data fill-in formats, central terminals, and principal organization. From doctors, from NES, data should be stored in some special formats and able for transferring. And also we're talking about backup of services, because data should be protected in the for different kind of crisis, different situation, and the backup should be stored for not misinformation. For example, I think maybe you meet with situation when your mobile was die and you should buy new and not often able back all storage information there, contacts, some messages, and this case for misinformation. And question for protect, for create backup, it's important, and for user separate mobile, also for large storage information. And we can see there about clinician, about ECG, different kind of sources of data. Some example of hospital information system you can see where present electronic records of patient. Patient, for example, his information about available his analysis, and present his some records, some recommendations, his dynamic, his condition. Laboratory information system. A lab information system is class of software which handle receiving, processing, and storing information generalized from medical laboratory process. This system offer must interface with instruments and other information systems such as hospital information system. Laboratory information system basic common feature of for patient check-in, order entry, specimen process, results, reporting, patient demographic and physician demographic location. This should be provided as some optimal communication. Also, laboratory information system highly configured application which is customized to facilitate a wide variety laboratory workflow models. Disciplines of laboratory systems supported by laboratory information system include hematology, chemistry, immunology, blood bank, donor and transfusion management, surgical pathology, anatomical pathology, flow cytometry, and microbiology. You see a lot included trees structure show about all should be clearly understand and structurized for comfortable and high usability. Laboratory information system. Sample taken from patient, pathology from raised by clinician under the patient records. Barcode and reference number are created attached to sample. Results are entered into the lab safe when sample are analyzed and reviewed. A reference number is recorded, stored with result. And form along with the samples are sent to the lab. And in the finish, alert is sent clinical along with result to the patient records. Yes, all the system are have his own way, and information system should provide all necessary activity maximum comfortable way. Laboratory information management system is computer software that is used in the laboratory for the management of samples, laboratory users, instruments, standards, and other laboratory functions such as invoicing, plate management, and workflow automation. The difference between laboratory information medical system and laboratory information system is that primary are generally targeted toward environment, research, or commercial analysis, such as pharmaceutical or petrochemical. And second are target toward the clinical market, hospitals, and other clinical labs. For example, we can see few laboratory systems where we can find example interaction with different equipment which are present there, and storage and processing data, and expert system support and production data for last users, and providing this in the electronic medical record system. Laboratory information management system. The goal of implementation laboratory information management system is to create a seamless organization where instruments used are integrated in the lab network, receive instruction and work list from the laboratory information medical system, and return finished result, including raw data, based to the central repository where the laboratory information medical system can update relevant information to external systems such as manufacturing, execution system, or enterprise records resource planning application. Laboratory information system management, the goal of implementation is to create seamless organization where lab personnel will perform calculation, documentation, and review result using online information from connected instruments, reference database, and other resources using electronic lab netbook connected to the laboratory information system. As you see, all components should be interact and be useful. Started from laboratory system, some equipment which provides and some laptop or tablet which should be integrated in the system for comfortable fill it information and collect necessary result. Management can supervise the lab process react to bottlenecks in workflow and ensure regulatory demands. External participants department can place work request and follow up on progress review result and print out analysis certificates and other documentation. Laboratory information management system can include, you see, next step, next workflow: registration, if necessary, editing, receive, prepare, testing, validation, approve. And there can be include different tools. Yes, this laboratory, sample test status, track, test group, allocate resources. From this list, I think our goal, you will see what components can be included in this information system, laboratory information system. Radiology information system is used by radiology department to store, manipulate, and distribute patient radiology data and imagery. Patient registration, patient scanning, result entry, reporting, result delivery including faxing, and patient tracking. Radiology information system include you can find storage in some equipment this computer tomograph or MRI, another one. A secondary storage, optical disk or another kind of storage. After that, equipment, hardware, which sent to the doctor's manager, resident radiologist. Here also module for transfer data in the necessary formats readable to the another. And this should be different another computers which can get this information. Now, example, you can find how this can be in the larger amount. You see different kind equipment there. They connect to the computers, to the server there, and different kind of users can be there. Also, different laboratory equipment can be integrated, and user can get his necessary information. This radiology information system example you can see. Here present ultrasound machine. These different printers are present. Network which provide to the necessary users, and there can be formats for storage, for compressing information, can be a secure data network, and also different equipment for which using for digital fluorography equipment, radiography, digital radiography, computer tomography, different kind of sources of data can be present there, and which should be integrated. Picture achieving and communication. In medical imaging, pictures achieving and communication system are computer or network dedicated to the storage, retrieval, distribution, and presentation of images. The medical images are stored in an independent formats. The most common format for image storage is DICOM, digital imaging and communication in medicine. Now you can find some example of pictures which can be achieved from radio information system. Yes. For example, you can find say X-ray, computer tomography. This can be computer tomograph, different kind of equipment which can provide of data. And after that, they can be reconstructed in the 3D formats for complex visualization, location, different kind of tissue and his condition. Picture achieving and communication system. PACS replaced hard copy based means of managing medical image such as film archiving. It expands on the possibilities of such conventional system by providing capabilities of off-site viewing and reporting, distance education telemedical users. Additionally, it enables practitioners at various physician location to access the same information simulationary telemedical users. Picture achieving and communication system. The most difficult area of picture achieving and communication system is interpretation the DICOM image formats. A feature common to most PACS is to read the metadata from all images into a central database. This allows the PACS use retrieve all image with a common future, no matter the originating instruments. The difference between vendors' DCOM implementations makes this difficult task. This means so often its solution and transferring data in the DCOM formats become available and normally practice using now. But of course, this question not completed now. A full pack should provide a single point of access for images, and their associated data should support multiply modulates. It should also interface with existing hospital information system and radiology information system should interact as well. Now you can see different picture achieving and communication system. Yes, we storage and achieved images should be usefully for teleradiology experts which sit in the another part of world, review station, in the structure reports, in the saving data, hard copy printing, modality, and order filling, and for patient in the different places. Next view of this task, we can see in the storage of data and different kind of users also you can find. This accounting, this decision support system, this cardiologist, acquisition, radiologist, diagnostics viewing, because we should also normally visualize this processing, filming, remote viewing, and reporting. And from this case, you see different users can be, and our task provide for them necessary information. Conclusion about this, in this lectures was described next question, information system basics, medicine related information system. Yes, and now we will step by step discuss about this. We have some reference. And now I will show one of medical information system which we developed. One moment, I try provide this in the English. Don't want. Okay, open EMR. Open EMR. This we will meet in the practical class with this medical information system. Demo. Now for coming, we will use some main demo link. Not going. Now we will check because this in this time can reload it in USA, and this can be administrator pass. Maybe we'll work. Not now. Patient. This website in USA, and unfortunately they in the night, there is night, and they reloaded it. And in this case now this not available. Okay, now a few minutes I will some additional explain for you from this material. For your understanding, medical information system can be implemented to the different direction. And we have few positions. First position, doctors should be provided necessary information. But second position, doctors should also comfortable use it. This should be usability. Time should be used for interact with this medical information system should be minimum. And in this goal, we try every moment this will be constantly upgrade and research. In this case, should be good interaction between users and developer, because they should know how it is possible to better. Next position, different medical information system have a lot some should be upgraded constantly, because from side of governments, national law are present different correction and request for secure or personal data secure is important. All different stuffs, also data should be secure. And in this case, data information system also this should provide. Continue your study. You can meet in the practical class. We plan show for you medical information system on the example OpenEMR, which I try show for you. And this a few later you will find it. This will work. And after that, you can more really understand how the system will work. You can find this website, OpenEMR, and this are present different link, maybe will working. Not yet. And also here present some explanation how about the system. Where was this? This in the top. Are present some explanation, some manual for using this. And a different version you can find, and explanations they also present. Oh yes, this is working. Pass. One moment, it's working, and now we will check it. This we can use pass user, admin, and pass. Oh yes. Now this loading information system, and now we can see how this working. This information system include different tab, different function. This calendar, first one, where we can add storage some records about patient, about scheduler, where we can add different activity. This is a present list of providers and his appointment we can see. We can select for different date what are present there. You see times line are present there. We can, if we have question, we can create some message, recall some request about something. Founder can help found necessary patient. For example, we have few patients there. And we can see information about them, about his billing, insurance, messaging, labs, and some of them is empty, some of them we can demographic. You see some information there also present about message, contacts, choice. You see all information are filled there, and we can see. In the classes, we will use this open EMR for our studying and for our testing. Next, visit history, where can be stored information about previous visits to different doctors. Yes, we can load this and we can see what information are present about this. There are present some summary, some conclusion about this. Also, we can present information about patient, about fees. No? Recall. Yes. About patient. About procedure. Some information they are present, some of them need fill, but you see this so powerful and comfortable environment for different users. You can study there and fill some information and process it. Purpose. Some fields not, some tab is empty here, but principally you can add information and process it. Maybe this is not so fast feedback. Okay, I think you generally understand about what is it information system, medical information system. If you have question, you can put and we can talk about your question. Okay, our lectures is finished. If you don't have question, we will meet in the next lecture, so practical class. Thank you a lot.
Okay, sir.
Good day for you. Bye.
Bye, sir.